Hello, this is Sujata Kancharla. Today I'm going to discuss about National Commission for Backward Classes. This is very much useful topic for all the competitive exams. Comes to introduction. National Commission for Backward Classes was set up in 1993. It safeguards rights of backward classes. It advises government on their welfare and development. Comes to historical background. It was established in 1993 as a statutory body. Later, the 102 Amendment Act of 2018 conferred a constitutional status on the Commission. For this purpose, the amendment inserted a new Article 338B in the Constitution. Let's come to composition. The Commission consists of a chairperson, a vice chairperson, and three other members. They are appointed by the President by warrant under his hand and seal. Their conditions of service and tenure of office are also determined by the President. Let's come to functions. The functions of the Commission are: first one, to investigate and monitor all matters relating to the constitutional and other legal safeguards for the socially and educationally backward classes and to evaluate their working. Second one, to inquire into specific complaints with respect to the deprivation of rights and safeguards of socially and educationally backward classes. Third one, to participate and advise on the socio-economic development of the socially and educationally backward classes and to evaluate the progress of their development under the union or a state. Fourth one, to present to the President annually and at such other times as it may deem fit reports upon the working of those safeguards. Fifth one, to make recommendations as to the measures that should be taken by the union or a state for the effective implementation of those safeguards and other measures for the protection, welfare, and socio-economic development of the socially and educationally backward classes. Final one, to discharge such other functions in relation to the protection, welfare, development, and advancement of the social and educationally backward classes as the President may specify. Let's comes to powers. The Commission is vested with the power to regulate its own procedure. The Commission, while investigating any matter or inquiring into any complaint, has all the powers of a civil court trying a suit and in particular in respect of the following matters. First one, summoning and enforcing the attendance of any person from any part of India and examining him on oath. Second one, requiring and discovery and production of any document. Third one, receiving evidence on affidavits. Fourth one, requisitioning any public record from any court or office. Next one, issuing summons for the examination of witnesses and documents. Final one, any other matter which the President may determine. Thank you. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, comment, and give suggestions.